Alright, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang, so in this video, we're going to be breaking down fake outs, okay? So this can happen to you, alright? So be aware of this. This can happen to anybody. Alright, so price open around this time. That's at 12 o'clock, boom, you can see 12 o'clock right here. Price went to, at 1 o'clock right here, it went to 70.73, right? Boom, what did it do? Price went to 70.73, 70.74, around this key level, right? So price won't always get to these key levels, right? But it'll go close to it, right? It'll go close to this key level, boom, 70.74, boom, 70.74, 70.75. Remember, banks like to trade in key levels, so even numbers. So 70.70, 70.85, 70.80, 70.75, 70.70, 70.65, 70.60. All right, so you can see it opened up at around 12, 1 o'clock, boom, new day, right? I mean, it's a new day, so at around this time, it went to 70.74. What did it do? Head back down to 70.70, 70.69, basically 70.70. What did price do in the past before, right? And went all the way up to 70, went all the way up to 70.74, 70.76, 70.74, 70.76, around the 70.75 area before what? Heading back down. Boom. Heading back down to what? 70.71. Boom. 70.74, 70.70. So price will do the same thing in the past. Boom. Head back down to 70.70. Boom. Made wicks. Wicking right here, letting you know that price does not want to break through this key level at this time. Headed back up to what? 70.70. From 70.67 to 70.71. Basically 70.70. Right back to the key level. Then what? What did price do again? 70.71. Boom. 70.67. Right back here. So price is doing the same thing. 70.67, 70.67. Price is doing the same thing. What does it do? Head back up. 70.74. 70.74. Just like it did here. Just like it did here. 70.75. 70.74. 70.74. Boom. Now this is called a fake out, okay? This is called a fake out because a lot of people will have entered the trade right here thinking that price is heading back up, and it's not heading back up yet. Now it's heading back up. Boom. But it wasn't heading back up at the time, right? So it went to 70.73. Boom. What did it do? Faked everybody out. Boom. And went back to 70.70. So you have to be aware because gold likes to move fast, right? Gold likes to move fast. So it went from 70.73, boom, all the way back down, boom, to 70.64, right? Boom. All right. If you would have had gotten for a buy, a lot of new traders would have gotten for a buy at the top because they thought price was heading back up to 70.75 and eventually 70.80. Boom, but it wasn't doing that at that time, right? So you have to pay attention and really be careful with this market, especially with gold and Bitcoin, especially with gold, because it moves very, very fast. I've been trading this market for a while now, for almost 2 years, so it moves very, very fast. It will go against you and you will lose half of your money, most of your money, or blow your account depending on your lot size, how much money you got in your account. If you can risk this, then fine. Okay, but it fakes everybody out. It goes 70.73 and it never goes back up it never goes back up. You feel me? To 70.70 up here until now. Okay, so it went all the way up to 70.73, back to 70.70. It goes back up. Oh, a lot of new traders would have got back in for a buy. I think it's heading back up. No, it faked you back out again. Faked you out twice. Boom. Went down to 70.65. Boom. It never goes back up to 70.73 or back up here if you would have gotten for a buy. Now you enter the trade too late. Okay, you entered the trade too late. You thought it was going to be a buy. It wasn't a buy. Okay, so be careful because you don't want to enter the trade up here, okay? You want to enter the trade down here. You want to buy low and you want to sell high. Now, if you enter for a sell up here and you sell high, then you're fine. Boom. The price never goes back up to 70.74. It goes to 70.72, but it never goes back up to 70.74. So guess what? You're still in profit. You're still in profit this whole time. You're in profit right here. It never goes back up to 70.74. Not right now. boom, 70.72, it goes up to 70.72, not 70.74. So you're in profit this whole time. Boom, goes down to 70.64, 70.65, right back to the next key level. It broke 70.70, went to 70.65. Boom, heads back up to 70.70. Boom, breaks back down 70.65. And it never heads back up to 70.74. So you would have entered for a sell at the top because you put the sell at the top, then you would have been good because it never heads back down. It never heads back up to 70.74. Not right now. Okay, so but if you would have gotten for a buy, thinking it's going up, it faked you out and you lost most of your money because it never heads back up. It heads all the way down. It heads back up to it heads all the way down to 70.59, 70.60 from 70.73 before heading back up. Okay, open if it's a green candle, it's going to open at the bottom. Okay, it's going to head up, right? Boom. You're going to open at the bottom, but before it opened at the bottom, it faked everybody out once it opened at the bottom. You would have gotten for a buy, it would have faked you out again because it went all the way down from 70.63 all the way down to 70.53. You have to be aware. It can happen up here. It can even happen up down here. The gold likes to move very, very fast. So you have to be aware of these fake outs right here. Be aware of that. Do not enter the trade yet. Wait for the retest, right? So it faked everybody out. Boom, went all the way down to 70.54 before heading all the way back up to 70 to from went all the way down to 70.55, past 70.55, past this key level 70.55, all the way down to almost the next key level would have been 17.50. Went all the way to 70.53. Okay, open up here, open at the top, open at the bottom. If you're selling, it's going to open at the top. But if you're buying, it's going to open at the bottom. But it faked everybody out. As soon as it opened, it went all the way down to 70.53. Then it went all the way back up to 70.66. Okay, and then it wound up closing right here at 70.65. Then a sell. When it's a red candle, it's going to open at the top. Okay, so when it's a red candle, oh, when it's a red candle, it's going to open at the top, boom, and go up here, wick at the top, boom, before heading down and then closing here. Okay, so boom, if it would have faked you out, you thought it was a sell, boom, okay, and then it opened at the bottom again because if it's a green candle, it's going to open at this bottom right here. And you see indecision though. The market doesn't know if it wants to go up. You see a big wick right here, boom, right here. You see a big wick here, and you see a big wick down here, right? You just wait for a price to show you that it wants to head back up, okay? Because you would have got faked out again. Okay, now if your account can hold that much, then you got enough money in your account to hold that trade, then fine. But it wound up going down here to 70.58 again, and wound up retesting that 17.60 level again before heading back up. Boom. Now it's heading back up. It closed here, went up, it opened here, it went open here, wicked all the way down here, and then went all the way back up to 70.68 before closing right back at 70.64 at next to 70.65, the key level. Then it opened up here. This is a true candle. You see a big green Murbola candle, 3 of them in a row, means it's heading up for sure. You see it, then you see at 64, open up here, boom, it closed here, boom, at 70.69. Then it opened at 70.69, boom, closed here at 70.74. Then it opened up at 70.74, boom, it went to what? 70.78, opened up at 70.79, boom, 70.80, boom, you're out the trade. All right, so you want to buy when it's low, but be aware of these fake outs, of these wicks. These are called fake out. The market will fake you out, get everybody out the trade, boom, before heading back up. So be aware of that. All right, do not want to enter the trade for a sell at right here for a sell, think it's going to head back down, and it faked you out, and you just lost your money depending on your lot size. When you could have just waited and had made an easy 2 to 3 grand right here, boom. All right, so you don't want to miss out on that 2 to 3 grand depending on your lot size. So just be aware of the fake outs. All right, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Hope these videos help. All right, gang.